Generally, what a lot of immigrants do when they come to Canada first is they stay within their community. But in order for you to grow in Canada, you want to connect and embrace the multicultural aspects of Canada. And that happens when different communities communicate with each other.
At Computek College, we have programs in business, healthcare, and technology. We're celebrating 28 years in high-quality education, so we are committed to helping our students achieve their career goals. We want to build an environment that's very supportive as students go through their career. 75% of our student base are women, and speaking of challenges, they're coming from a situation where they might have had a career before, they've spent a number of years taking care of a family, and now they want to step back into that career.
And back home, you know, the girls mostly not working, but in here we have to work. Then I thought, okay, I have to study anything. I want to go from bottom because the language barrier. Then I chose first ECA, then step up ECE. Now I am doing the accounting course. And you look at me and go for it.
There's a lot of nervousness. Am I going to be successful in this career? Is this the right step for me? But we have the instructors that help them with that. We have alumni, we have current students going through that. So that sense of community really helps address those challenges.